Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the capture card, a good HDMI cable, and the Xbox Series X already nearby. Plug the capture card into your PC using a USB 3.0 port, then connect the Xbox HDMI OUT to the capture card HDMI in so the signal flows into your computer. Once done, power on the Xbox and open your capture software so it can detect the feed. Make sure capture card firmware and PC drivers are installed. They allow stable 60 FPS pass-through and consistent detection. Configure your capture software for game capture. Set resolution to 1920x 1080 or 4K if your card and PC support it, and choose 60 FPS for smooth motion. Select the capture card as both video and audio source, and route Xbox chat through the controller or a mix-minus setup depending on whether you commentate. Adjust bitrate to balance quality and recording space. About 1015 Mbps for 1080p and 4060 Mbps for 4K works well. Once configured, run a short test recording to verify sync and overlays. Finalize by enabling pass-through so your TV keeps the live output, then start recording or streaming in the capture software. Monitor PC CPU and GPU load. If you see dropped frames, lower resolution, switch the encoder to hardware NVENC or AMD, or reduce bitrate to stabilize performance. Save a short clip and inspect color, HDR handling, and lip sync. Make small encoder tweaks and test again. If nothing displays, check HDMI cables, try another USB port or PC, and power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.